Hi everyone, this is Samarth and I'll be showing you how my app works for detecting pneumothorax in chest x-rays. First of all, let us look at what the directory structure is like. This is the same as the directory structure that you'll find on GitHub. And what I've done is I've basically cloned the repository on my desktop and I've entered the deployment folder. So before talking about the app, let me show you how it works. In this particular folder, you have to run the following command, that is python 3 manage.py run server, right? And it'll take some time to run because the model is getting initialized. Right, now that the model is ready, I mean the app is ready, we can go and have a look at what it looks like. Don't worry about this is basically because we've not added the extension yet, which is form. And this is what the front page looks like. Now what you have to do is you have to upload your x-ray file in the DICOM format as was done in the case study. So let's look at what files we have at our disposal. We have these kind of test images. Let's test the first one. Right. So as you can see, this patient does not have pneumothorax. In that case, I am also printing another the same X-ray again without the mask. And what if the patient does have pneumothorax? Let us look at an image that might have pneumothorax. Let's check for this one. Right. So this patient does have pneumothorax and it's highlighted in the red region over here. You can see that there's a slight difference between the color of gray where the pneumothorax region is there and where the simple lung is there. And that's what the model has captured properly. So it seems like the model has handled this particular image properly at least. Now we can go back and I'll tell you a little bit about how the app works. The HTML files, the HTML file that is responsible for the front page is this one. Then the HTML file that's responsible for the next page, which is the result, is this one. And over here, the main prediction file is this one. So this is this is something that you might be able to recollect from the blog or from the GitHub repo if you've seen it. That this is basically the prediction function that I've used, and the model. This is basically from where the model is being loaded. This is where the model is being loaded. And if you want to see what settings.model.root is taking you to, from here you can see that the settings.model root is this one, sim model, and sim model is basically the TensorFlow model that I've saved after training it. So this is how the app is basically working. There are a lot of other things also which can be seen more in detail. As you can see, this is Django. The backend is implemented in Django and the front end is very simply implemented as HTML. Apart from that, if you would like to see how the model is trained or the analysis of the model, then please look at the GitHub repository. There are a lot of there are a lot of notebooks corresponding to each type of study that was done as part of this case study. And I'm sure if you're interested in this particular problem, you'll find it very interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.